Hello children, this is 4th standard maths. Chapter name is fractions. So here fractions, in this lesson you are going to study about converting into equivalent fraction, what is equivalent fraction, and simplifying fraction to its lowest term or lowest form, and converting improper fraction into proper fraction, or converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, and comparing fractions with which is greater or higher, and addition subtraction of fraction. Now, what is meant by fraction? Fractions is a part of a whole. Fractions are a numerical value that are a part of a whole. If a number or a thing is divided into equal parts, then each part will be the fraction of whole. And fraction is denoted as a by b, and above the line is called numerator, below the line is denominator. And there are three type of fraction, three major type of fraction. They are the proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Now a fraction is defined as a part of the whole thing. A part from a whole. For example, this is a thing. So in this, a part of this expressing part of a whole. Or here, for example, this is a pizza. A pizza is divided into 4 equal parts. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Pizza is always in a circle shape. No? Pizza is divided into 4 equal pieces. Then each piece is represented by 1 by 4. Now here how many? 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 means it is a 4 pieces. Then it represented by 1 by 4. Now here how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is shaded, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is unshaded. So we can write a fraction of shaded part here and unshaded part. And fractions helps to distribute and judge the numbers easily and make the calculation faster. If with the help of fraction we can judge or distribute the things very easily. And instead of using decimal value, the representation of fractions look as simple. If fraction means before fraction we get decimal. Division means there is a numerator and denominator. So instead of writing decimal part, it is easy to write the fraction form. Where we in pizza here, if pizza is divided into 2 equal parts, then each part is equal to half. If pizza is divided to 8 parts, means each part is equal to 1 by 8. Or 4 part means 1 by 4. 2 part, it is divided into 2 parts means 1 by 2. And one more example, if we divide a slice of watermelon or a orange into 4 pieces, then it is 1 by 4. If 3 pieces, 1 by 3. And there is a like fraction and unlike fraction is there, and equivalent fraction. The fraction with the same denominator are like fraction, and the fraction with different denominator are unlike fraction. If the fraction has the same denominator, then it is a like fraction. So here example for fraction is 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8. These are fraction. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. If the denominator are same, here 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, then this is like fraction. If denominator different number, then unlike fraction. If the fraction with the same denominator means there is a like fraction. If the fraction with the different denominator means unlike fraction. Equivalent fraction. If two fraction result is same value after simplification, then they are equivalent to each other. Now fraction. So here activities there children. You try this. From a chart paper, cut out 3 rectangular. 1, 2, 3 rectangular. Same size. Fold the first rectangular into 2 equal parts. Shade one part as shown. So here fold one rectangular and shade one part. So this is whole, part of a whole. Fraction means part of a whole. So here 2 part means 1 by 2. Always denominator is total number we have to write. 1 and 2, which is total is 2. And here It is not 2 by 2. Why? Because here 2 parts, so denominator is 2. Yeah, how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many total parts are there? That is always denominator. Denominator 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there, so 4 is a denominator. And how many parts are colored? How many part of the rectangle is colored? 1, 2, 2 parts are colored. It means 4, 2 out of 4. So total is 4. So how to write the fraction? Always the division. How many division? How many part divided? Total number of part divided is denominator. Then shaded part means 2 parts are shaded or colored. So 2 by 4. Now at the same time, same rectangle is, how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is divided into 8 pieces. Okay, a fraction is divided into 8. So denominator is 8. Total number of pieces or division. Parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here denominator is 8. Here denominator is 4. Below the line is denominator. Above the line is numerator. So 2 is numerator. This is denominator. Numerator, denominator. 4 is numerator. 8 is denominator. Okay, so here 8, the denominator is number of parts. How many parts are it divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. And how many parts are colored or shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are colored. So 4 by 8. And here 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Okay, this is a fraction example. How to write the fraction with the given figure. Now recall exercise is given. Write what fraction the shaded part of the whole. Here write fraction shaded part of the whole. So here shaded part. So first we have to check how many parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6. That is the denominator. That become denominator. Total 6. So out of 6, how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. Color. Shaded means color. 1, 2, 3. So out of 6, 3 is colored. So here total part, always fraction means part of a whole. From whole is denominator. Whole we have to write denominator value. How many parts are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 circles are there. Total 11 circles are there. In that, how many circles are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are colored or shaded. Okay, 6 out of 11. So always the total number of things is denominator. So here, how many totals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once again check it. 1 unshaded I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 triangle are there inside. Total 9 triangle. In that how many are colored? 1, 2, 3. How many? Out of 9 only 3 is colored. 3 out or 3 out of 9 3 is shaded. Now here how many pizza, for example, pizza means how many parts are divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 pieces. In that, how many pieces are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 4 are colored. So this is shaded part of fraction. Fraction for a shaded part. So always denominator we have to write total pieces or total number of things divided, and numerator what is now here. If I write the shaded part means we have to write shaded part and count it and write. If unshaded part means we have to count unshaded part and write the fraction. Now here second one, in the above figures write the fraction for the part not shaded. So here we are written the fraction form of colored one, colored pieces or part. Now we have to write always denominator is same only. Denominator total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 are there. Unshaded means without any color. 1, 2, 3. Without color is 3 triangle. So here how many total circles are there? 11 only. That already we written here 11. In that which is not colored, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles are not colored. So unshaded or not shaded. And here how many triangles are there? Total 9 triangles are there. So you can say like a sentence. Total 9 triangles are there. In that only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are not colored. 6 by 9. Now here total 8 pieces in circle. Total 8 pieces. They made total 8 pieces in that, which is not shaded or colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are shaded, 4 are not shaded. Colored, 4 are not shaded. 3 are colored, 6 are not colored. 6 circles are colored, 5 circles are not colored. 3 triangle are colored, 3 are not colored here. Now next, here third main, shade the part of each hole as indicated. So here we have to color. Shade means we have to color it. 5 by 6, total 6 pieces are there inside. Total they divide into 6 pieces. 5, numerator is 5, so we have to color 5 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have to color it. Okay. 5 we have to color it, can color later. Now total 12 pieces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Then 5 we have to color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway we can choose. Okay, 5. That is our wish. Then total 8 pieces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In that 3 we have to color it. 3 pieces we have to color. 1 anyway we can color. 2 and 3. 3 pieces we are colored. Then total 8 triangle are there. 7 numerator is 7. So 7 we have to color it. 7 any other color? Yes. 7 we have to color it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now next, fourth one, write numerator or denominator. So a 5 by 6, 6 is the numerator or denominator, or 6 is down. So down one is denominator. And B 4 by 9, 4 is what? Above the line, first floor, ground floor. So just to understand children, it is not first floor and ground floor. So above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. 4 is numerator. Eleven by 7. 7 is numerator or denominator? Down. Down one is denominator. So 17 and 19. 7 is above the line. So numerator. Okay, so 5 by 6, this is a fraction form. This is the way to write the fraction. Above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. Down one is, just to understand, remember that down one is denominator. Okay, 9 down 1, so denominator. 19 is a down 1, denominator. Below the line, denominator. Fill in the blanks. Half of 6. We have to calculate. Now next, half of 6. Half of 6 means we have to simplify. Here 6 is a numerator, 1 is numerator, 2 is below the line. So here by 1 is there, it means. Okay, so numerator and denominator we can cancel it. Okay, when you cancel numerator, denominator, if it's dividing both with the same tables, we can cancel it. But we can't cancel numerator and numerator. Okay, 5 by 10 is there into 20 by 15 is there. We can't cancel 5 and 20. 5 and 20 will multiply with the same, divide with the same tables, or multiply with the same table. 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20, but we can't cancel. We should not cancel. We should not cancel. That is a wrong method. When you're reducing value or simplifying, this is called the simplification or reducing value. So first above numerator, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Numerator and denominator we have to cancel with the cancel, and it divide with the same table, but we should not cancel numerator. That is a wrong method. Okay, now 2 ones are 2 3s are 6, and 5 if a denominator, 25 is a numerator, so we can cancel, and 5 and 25 will multiply with the same table. 5 ones are table, 5 ones are 5 5 is a 25. Here 3 is a denominator, 18 is a numerator, and it means by 1 is there, we will not write that. Okay, so here 3 1s are 3, 3 how much 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Okay, and here 4 denominator, 20 is a numerator, and both will multiply with 4 ones are tables. 4 ones are multiples of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. And 6 and 24, 6 is the denominator, 24 is the numerator. So we can cancel it or simplify. 6 ones are 6, 6 how much are 6 6 are 36, 6 5 are 30, 6 4s are 24. Okay, then 8 1 by 8 and 64, 8 is the denominator, 64 is the numerator. We can cancel. So 8 and 64 will, it is a multiples of 8, 8 ones are table, it multiplied by 8 ones are table, 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64. Half means we can write into in between there. Okay, now we reduced value, no, it is called the reducing value, okay, or simplification. Half into 6, so 2 ones are 2 3s are we cancel. Now 1 into 3 is 3. Then 1 by 3 into 18, 3 ones are 3 6 are 18, 1 into 6 is 6 now. 1 by 4 into 20, 4 and 4 ones are 4 5s are we cancel. So 1 into 5 is 1 5s are 5. 1 by 5 and 25, 5 ones are 5 5s are, 1 into 5 is 5. 1 by 6 into 24, 1 4s are 4 now. 1 into 8 is 8. It is cancelled or reduced value. So here equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction, these are equivalent fraction means after simplifying or reducing value we get same. 1 by 2 or 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 is called equivalent fraction. Why it is equivalent? After simplification both will multiply same table. Which tables? 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. 4 ones are 4 2s are 8. 1 by 2 2 ones. Okay, so all are after simplification answer is 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. Then this is called an equivalent fraction. Now exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1. Observe the colored parts and write the equivalent fraction. So observe the color part and write the equivalent fraction. One, two, three. 3 part is color. 3 by 1 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 here. 3 by 4 fraction is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6. From 8 pieces 6 are colored. This is the equivalent fraction. How? Because here it is in a simplest form, 3 by 4. We can't reduce again. Here we can reduce. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. After simplification we get 3 by 4 only. Then it is equivalent fraction. Now write the fraction form of this. 1 2 3 4. Total 4 are there. In that 1 is shaded. Total 4 are the 1 is shaded. Now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 pieces. In that 1 2 are shaded or colored. So this is the equivalent fraction. This is in a simplest form. Again we can reduce. Reducing means both the numbers should multiply with the same tables. 2 and 8 will multiply with same table. Which tables? 2 ones are. 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again after simplifying we get 1 by 4. So both are 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4 after simplification. Then it is called an equivalent fraction. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are total. Out of 4, 2 are colored. So fraction form is 2 by 4. Then how to write this fraction? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are colored. In that 1 to 2 are fraction form. So it is 2 by 4 and 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 ones are 2. No, it is grouped 1 by 2, not 2 by 4. This is 1 by 2. This is one part, totally 2 part. In that 1 is colored one. So here 1 by 2, 2 by 4 are equivalent fraction because it is already in the simplest form. We can't again simplify. Here 2 and 4 both will multiply 2 ones are tables, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then after simplification we get 1 by 2 only. Then it is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means these are equivalent fraction because after simplifying or cancelling we get 3 by 4. 6 by 8 will get 3 by 4. These two are equivalent fraction because after simplification 2 by 8, 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8, we get 1 by 4. Same fraction. Here also after simplification we get 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 after simplifying. Now color to show the equivalent fraction. Now we have to color it. Color to show the equivalent fraction. So here you have to color it. 4 out of 4, 2 we have to color. This one and this one we have to color. Then here 4 we have to color. Already 8 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to color. Not. Okay, that is over. Now one part we have to color. Anywhere we can color it, children. One part we have to color. And here 2 part we have to color. Numerator indicate color. Anywhere we can color it. Any boxes, any 2. Now here it is color, children. 2 by 4, 2 part we have to color. 4 by 8, total 8 are there. 4 we are 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to color. So here 4 we have to color it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to color it. And here only one part, numerator. We have to check only numerator to color. This 2 part we have to color. Any 2 part we colored. Here 5. So any 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1 by 2. So whole grouped. They different. 2 are grouped separately. So otherwise we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Total is 10. But total is not 10. Total is 2 means they divide into whole is 1 group. Like a green piece. One green piece means inside the green piece many green pieces are there. So whole is one group. So 2 green piece means whole is one group. So whole we have to color. Then 1 by 2. Next, finding equivalent fraction. And equivalent fractions can be obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator of the fraction by same numerator. To convert into equivalent fraction means we have to multiply both numerator and denominator same number, 2 by 2. So we get equivalent fraction, or 4 by 4, any number we can multiply. So okay, 3 by 3, 10 by 10, any number to convert. Now 2 by 4 is given, one number is given, fraction is given. Now we have to write the equivalent fraction. To convert into, to write the equivalent fraction of that number means multiply numerator and denominator both up and down with the same numbers. 2, 3. If you are multiplying with 2 means down also we have to multiply with 2 only. Or 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Any number we can try. We get infinite number of equivalent fraction. Next equivalent fraction means any number we can multiply up and down. Then we get the next equivalent fraction. And equivalent fraction can also be obtained by dividing the numerator or denominator of fraction by common factors. So here both will divide with 2 ones are table. So divide with the same numerator and denominator. Here we can multiply and get equivalent fraction into 2 numerator and denominator. This is a commonly used method, multiplying numerator and denominator with us any same number. This is a commonly used method. And here we can get an equivalent fraction by dividing with the common factors by 2. 2 and 4 will divide with the same table, 2 ones are tables. So dividing with the same tables. 4 and 8 will divide with same tables, 4 ones are or 2 ones are. So we can divide with 4 ones are or 2 ones are. Numerator and denominator. Now exercise 8.2, fill in the blanks with the equivalent fraction. Fill in the blanks with equivalent fraction. Now 1 by 3 is there. Equivalent fraction means any number we can multiply. 6 is there. 3, how much are 6 here? 3, how much are 6? 3 2s are, I am right, 3 2s are 6. Same number we can multiply. To convert into equivalent fraction means, or to get the equivalent fraction means numerator and denominator should be multiplied with the same number. 15 is given. 3, how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. Same number we have to multiply half. 12 is given here. So 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. Same number we have to multiply up numerator. 25 and 5. So it is divided with the 5 divided with 5. So divided by 5. 5 5 is a 25. So here also we have to divide with 5. 5 means 1. Okay. Divided with 5 means 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. So we get 5 here. Divided with 5. Then here 2 how much are 20? 2 10s are 20. Same number we have to multiply up 10. 7 how much are 21? 7 3s are 21. Same 3 we have to multiply up. 9 how much are 18? 9 2s are 18. Same number we have to multiply up. Otherwise this brother and sister will fight. Same thing. What gift we give here? Same gift we have to give to brother or sister, otherwise they both will fight. Okay, just to understand children. 7 how much are 35? 7 5s are 35. Same gift 5 we have to multiply up. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are 9. Same doll we have to give to numerator also. 4 how much are 16? 4 4s are 16. Same 4 we have to give to numerator. 27 how much are 7? Means 7 how much are 27? Here division. It is reducing, greater and here smaller means division. 7 how much 3? So 3 same number 3 we have to divide it here. Okay, here division. 3 1s are 3 4s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 21. 9 here 8 is means 4 2s are 8. So multiplication same number we have to multiply down. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. So same number we have to multiply down. Otherwise they will fight. 3 how much are 30? 3 10s are 30. Same number we have to multiply down. 4 how much are 16? 4 4s are 16. Same number we have to share with both the kids. 8 how much are 40? 8 5s are 40. Same number we have to multiply here. Now we can copy. So here 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2, 3 into 2 is 6 already written. Then here 1 into 5, 1 5s are 5, 3 into 5 already written 15, 1 into 3 is 3, 4 into 3 12 already written, 5 ones are 5 ones are, so 1 here, 5 ones are 5 5s are 25, division, so here already 5 is written, 8.2, okay, 1 by 5. Now here multiplication 1 10s are 10, 2 10s are 10 already written there, 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21 already written, 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18 already written, 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35 already written, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are already written, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16 already written, 12 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, so 4. Division 3 1s are 3 7s are 27, here division, so 7 already written. Here multiplication 4 2s are 8, there, so down also same number, 9 2s are 18. 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40, 4 4s are 16, so 5 4s are 20, 3 5s are 15, they otherwise they will compare. You gave 5 to numerator, but you didn't give 5 to 8. So we have to give same number to both numerator and denominator. So 3 5s are 15, 8 5s are 40. First we have to check which number is given here. 2 is given, 3 2s are 6. So same number we have to give numerator, otherwise they both will fight. Okay. Now B main. Fill in the blanks to make a fraction equivalent. Similar way, same way. Now here B main. Here 2 30 by 40, 16 by 20, 15 by 20, 40 over. Now B main, same thing, similar way. 5 how much 30, 5 6 are 30. So into 6 means 6 how much 12, 6 2s are 2 will come here. 7 how much 63, 7 9s are 63. So here 15 9s are. Here 56. The value is reducing here. 56. Which number? 9. 4 ones are 4. Yeah, divided with 4, I think. Divided with 4. Same thing divided with 4. 4 ones are 4. 14 fours are 56. Okay. So 4 nines are 36. Now 9 is here also division, because number is reducing here. Value is 72 here. The value is reducing, means it is a division. 9, how much are 72? 9 8s are 72. So here also 8 5s are 9 8s are 72. 8 5s are same 8, we have to divide it here. So 8 5s are 40. Here 39. 39 means increase. 8, how much are 24? 3s are. So here also 3. 3, how much are 39? 13 3s are. 13 3s are 39. The next, here sixth one, 11, how much are 77? 11 7s are. So same 11 7 we have to multiply. So 7, how much is 105? 7, how much is 105? We have to check. Okay, 7 15 7s are. Now 54 by 13. Here increasing value, no? Here we have to check. So here 39s are 107. Same 9 we have to multiply. 9, how much are 54? Okay, 9, how much are 9? 3 is a 9 6 are 9 5 are 45. 9 6 are 54. 3, how much answer is given? 3, how much are 18? 3 6 are 18. So into 6 we have to multiply here. Okay, then now fill in the blanks. So here it is a multiplication. 5 6 are 30. So 6, how much are 12? We get 6 2s are 12. 15 7 9s are 63. So here yes, 7 9s are 63. So 15 9s are 153. 135, sorry. 135. 7 9s are 63. Then 16 9s are 15 9s are 135. Now next, here division, because the value is decreasing. Decreasing means decreasing than this, less than this means it is a division. 14, how much are 56? 14 4s are, so it is divided with 4. Same 4 we have to divide up also. So 14 56 divided by 4 means we get 14. Then 36 divided by 4 means 4, how much are 36? 4 1s are 4. 4 9s are 36. 9 by 14. Then here it is also reducing value, means division. 72 and 9 is given. 9, how much is 72? Okay. 9 8s are 72. Same 8 we have to multiply up. So 40 divided, sorry, it is a division, reducing value. So 8 1s are 8. Here we have to divide. 8 1s are 8. 8 5s are 40. So answer is 5 here. Here 8, how much are 24? 8 3s are. 8 3s are 24. Same 3 we have to write here. Then 13 3, how much are 39? 13 3s are